Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video shares my personal experience with using the service. Monolith AI, found at monolithari.com, presents a powerful platform leveraging machine learning to revolutionize engineering design processes. Instead of relying on lengthy and often expensive physical testing cycles, engineers can use Monolith AI to build predictive models based on their existing simulation data. This enables rapid virtual testing of designs, significantly accelerating the development timeline and reducing costs associated with traditional prototyping. The software works by ingesting simulation data from various sources and applying sophisticated machine learning algorithms to identify patterns and relationships within the data. These learned patterns form the basis of a predictive model that can accurately forecast the performance of new designs without the need for further simulations. Imagine exploring thousands of design iterations in a fraction of the time it previously took to test just a handful. This accelerates the path to optimal solutions, enabling engineers to push the boundaries of innovation. Monolith AI caters to a wide range of engineering disciplines, from aerospace and automotive to consumer electronics and energy. Its flexible platform adapts to different simulation types and data formats, providing a unified environment for managing and analyzing engineering data. The ability to visualize and interact with the predictive models helps engineers gain deeper insights into design performance and identify areas for improvement. Moreover, the collaborative features of Monolith AI facilitate knowledge sharing and teamwork among engineers, further enhancing the design process. By empowering engineers with data-driven insights and predictive capabilities, Monolith AI transforms the way products are designed, developed, and brought to market, ultimately leading to more efficient and innovative engineering solutions. Through a user-friendly interface and powerful machine learning algorithms, Monolith AI is poised to become an indispensable tool for the modern engineer.